Hello and welcome to Ideal's Virtual Data Rooms. My name is Jonathan, and in this video we will discuss troubleshooting the basic issues which may come up when logging into your account. Upon entering your credentials, you may receive an error message that your email or password is invalid. Before attempting to log in again, make sure your email address is spelled correctly and re-enter your password manually instead of using a password autofill solution. Please keep in mind that your account will be locked after 10 failed login attempts. If you can't remember your password, you can select the Forgot Password option. If the email entered is registered with Ideals, you will receive an email link to reset your password. If you don't receive an email to reset your password, please double-check the email address you've entered and click the Forgot Password option again. Each time you select this option, a new email will be generated from an alternative email provider. To change your password, you will be required to enter a one-time SMS code or answer a security question. If you're having trouble receiving the SMS code, please use the Resend and Call My Phone options. This will generate a new code from an alternative provider, ensuring its delivery. If you have tried the steps above and still need assistance, please open our Help section here for additional troubleshooting articles or chat with our 24/7 support team anytime. Thanks for watching this video, and please do not hesitate to reach out to us if you need any further assistance.